guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little project share. I finally got to play with the backpack die from Alina Craft. Look how super adorable this little backpack is, you guys. Okay, so once it's assembled, this little thing is a hair under 3 inches tall, 1.5 inches deep, and 2 1/4 inches wide. Look how cute! It's got the little side pockets, this little front pocket right here, and this little other side pocket right here, and then again the straps. And what I like about this die is that you literally have to cut everything out once except for the strap, the backpack strap. So you need to cut this out twice, and then one of the side pouches. If you want two, you could do a backpack with just one, but if you want two on one on each side, you need to cut this set out twice. That's it. And everything else is just once. And then once I assembled everything, I realized, oops, I forgot to use this die right here. I'm almost positive once you run your big die through, and it does fit in a 6-inch platform, I think you're supposed to put it right here and die cut through together so that you have a slit for your lid to go in so the lid stays down. But I think a lot of people in general use like Velcro and stuff so that it's really secure, or a little button and whatnot. So I realized that after the fact. I was already assembling it, so I was like, no turning back now. So on the front, I just did a little Friends die cut in a really pretty glitter paper, and I used these arrow words. I love these words. I feel like I'm going to use them a lot. It's like hugs, here, yours, love, pool. I should have put a pool thing right there. That would have been nice had I done the die right. Then I used some tulle from Alina's shop. It's like I want to say it's like 2 inches wide. Yeah, like 2-inch wide tulle. We just got samples, but you guys will get the, full amount. So I used this like fuchsia pink color, kind of like my nails, and I made a cute little handmade bow right here. And Septeria here on YouTube, she has the easiest tulle tutorial ever. No glue, no string, no nothing. It's just using tulle. And I absolutely love that little tutorial. So I made a tiny itty bitty version. And then I used these little like glitter appliques that I hauled the other day from AliExpress. And look at the glitter straps on the back. How adorable. So on the inside, because it's like a good size in there, I could stick more in there. I used these dies from Alina's store. I was trying to use everything that I have out. One, I can't get to my other stuff, so it's really hard crafting with only your recent hauls. So I use this hello word, and it comes with the layering piece, and then the love word. And I just used my scraps of Maggie Holmes papers for the top layers. And then the very back is that thick, chunky Hobby Lobby paper, that glitter. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. So he's just used some solid pinks right here. So they just say hello and love. And I think this is perfect to send in Happy Meal or to anybody that would use, die cuts. Look at cute little phrases already ready in your little backpack. Oh. In your little backpack, and then you can Velcro that down or do the slit like I said that I accidentally forgot. So cute. So grab stuff. Like I said, I think you guys have until the 1st, until the AliExpress sale is over. And then, back to regular prices. But even then, AliExpress prices are amazing. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.